Hi guys, Rich from Smart. We're over at the Simply45 booth at ISE, and I'm with Blake today. We're going to be looking at some of the products. So if you follow our socials, you'll have seen it for the last couple of years that we've been using the Simply45 stuff. We was probably one of the first integrators in the UK, do you reckon, Blake, to get our hands on this stuff?
Yeah.
And to have a play with it, and we've been using it exclusively for the last couple of years. Now, I know people with the whole push-throughs can give it a little bit of tough love on the push-throughs. Now, generally, I'm not just saying this because we're on the stand. We use them, and I don't generally think in the last 3 years we've had a single failure. But that isn't good enough for some people. So you guys are taking it a step further. Yeah. So tell us what we've done on this new venture.
Yeah. So what we've done is we've actually created a hybrid connector. You can kind of see up here in this image. So your traditional pass-through looks like this, but inherent in every pass-through design, you're going to have copper exposed here at the tip. So what we did is took it one step further. We gave you all of the benefits of the pass-through, minimizing the untwist, being able to check your TIA standard, but with the security of a standard mod plug, because now you can actually take this Cap 45 and put it right onto the end of the connector. Therefore, you're closing off that copper, you're reducing near and far crosstalk, and you're making it where you're not going to have any opportunity for electrical arcing. So companies like HDBaseT have essentially made us the standard and approved our connectors for use with their devices.
So that is kind of what needs. That is the main point, because a lot of times maybe video matrix manufacturers, not so much the CCTV, but it could potentially cause issues with PoE. Again, we have never had a problem with your standard range.
Yeah.
Because it cuts. This is the thing I know about Simply45 compared to another cutter. Yeah. It cuts it and it shaves a tiny little bit of plastic off at the same time. Yeah. And that's how you know it's good. And if the blade's gone bad, we do separate blades as well. Change the blade. We usually change the cut on most jobs. But yeah, for some people, still not good enough. And a lot of manufacturers used to write into documentation, well, it's easy crimps, which ruined it for everybody, but should not be used with video matrix installation, blah, blah, blah. However, the HDBaseT Alliance, Balance, which effectively is video matrix manufacturers, you've now developed this, not in partnership with them, but they've authorized it.
Yeah. And now they're great partners of us. We actually do master classes at their booths, right? We're teaching people how to do correct category cable installations. I mean, that's one of the things that people really get wrong. They think every RJ45 is the same, and they're not. There's a lot of R&D that goes into these little pieces of plastic, and if you're gonna install expensive devices, spend a couple extra cents per connector and get, high-performing connections.
Literally, very high-performing connections, fully vouched. Cheers for us through that.
Cheers, buddy. Thank you. Appreciate you coming by.